What's up YouTube, Rice here, and today we got a wind-up deck for sale. So here's the deck list.
3 sharks.
3 bros.
This is a good one.
Yeah.
3 rats.
3 rats. Super.
3 magicians.
3 magician.
3 rabbits.
3 super rabbits. Oh, limited edition.
The tour guide and Sangan.
So it's is that gold Sanya?
Yeah, gold Sangan and tour guides from
2
the tins.
super tour guides.
2 Thunder Kings.
Common.
2 maxis.
2 super maxis.
And 2 Velas.
2 super velas.
So for the spell cards, I have 3 factories.
3 factory super rare.
1 buff. It's damaged.
The Pokemon's a little bit damaged.
You can tell. You can kind of tell.
It's a rare.
2 MSTs.
Maybe it's not rare anymore because it's damaged. It's common.
It turned into a common after it's used so much. 1 heavy. 1 monster reborn. 1 dark hole. And a super avarice.
Avarice.
Okay, for the traps, 2 compulsory. These are both star foils.
Starfoil.
Yep.
Damn.
2 bottomless.
Like common.
Yeah.
Common bottomless.
1 mirror force.
On the mirror.
1 solemn warning and 1 solemn judgment.
Right.
10 and battle pack. And 2 deep prisons.
2 ultra deep prisons. Right. For the extra deck.
This is just in random order.
That's a golem.
1 acid golem. 1 temple. Carrier.
That's ultra, right?
Oh yeah,
Ultra carrier.
Super Zen mains.
Super Zen means no sleeve.
Super Levier. Super Shockmaster.
Super.
Secret Leviathan. And then for the forest, Papilloperative.
Papilloperative super. Dude, exclusive.
I don't even know where you got that. Battle Pack Zen Meister.
With no sleeve.
Battle Pack Utopia. And for the 5s, Starfoil Tyrus.
Starfoil.
Secret Adrius. And Secret Zen Mao.
Zenmaho. Alright. If you guys want to purchase this deck, PM this channel. That's it. Alright. Yep, that's about it.
Yeah, that's about it.
Stay tuned for more videos. There's gonna be a lot of videos for selling stuff as well as trade binders and whatever, so check them all out. And so yeah, thank you guys for watching. Talk to you guys later. Peace.